Hello, and welcome to the GVSU Library's tutorial on citing sources. In this video, we will discuss why information has value, why we cite, and why we use different citation styles. Imagine you are texting with your friends and you share a joke. Your friends send laugh emojis and you send them the YouTube video of the comedian who first told the joke. You could take credit for the joke, but you want your friends to be able to find more of the same types of jokes, and you love this comedian and want more people to know about her. You don't want to pass others' ideas as your own. All types of information have value, but in different ways, such as unique ideas, published content, or even your personal information. Giving credit respects the original ideas of others and values the skills, time, and effort needed to produce knowledge, just like you valued the comedian's work in constructing the jokes you shared. Research does not occur in a bubble. It's what you read and think about, as well as conversations with other people. In higher education environments, these inspirations will then be cited in your research. In your classes, you may have been asked to use different citation styles. The reason there are so many styles is because different disciplines have developed specific styles based on the type of research they do. While you will need to follow different citation styles depending on the class or updates to citation styles, the reason you cite will always remain the same. Still have questions? Visit the Citing Source LibGuide or contact the libraries by chat, text, email, phone, or by visiting one of our service desks. You can also schedule an appointment with a subject librarian or a peer research consultant.